Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel order in Poshmark. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel any order on Poshmark, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you have opened your app, you need to get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account as well, you need to simply tap on the account section on the bottom right hand side of the corner. There you need to scroll down and go to My Purchases. So once you are in the My Purchases section, you will find each and every purchase that has been made by you in this section. So now, simply to initiate a cancellation, you need to simply find the order that you want to cancel, and once you have found it, you need to simply tap on it. So the basic rule is that you need to do this, or you need to start the cancellation request within 3 hours if it hasn't been shipped yet. So once you have found the order, simply choose Problems Inquiry, then tap on Accidental Purchase and confirm your cancellation by selecting Yes, Cancel. So this is how you can simply cancel your order in Poshmark. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.